Hello. Thanks a lot for checking out Web3Auth at the ETHGlobal Hackathon. In this video, I'll quickly explain to you what is Web3Auth, how it works, and how you can utilize this to win up to $10,000 this weekend. So to start off, I'll quickly go to the documentation, and you can see there are multiple offerings from Web3Auth, and basically it is a login software. So one click Google login and that's it, you are done. And your user will be onboarded into the Web3 world in a non-custodial way. So this is the beautiful UI you can actually see, and I'll click on Google login right now. And I'll just log in using my email. And as soon as I do that, my account is created right over here. And you can see it's connected to currently Ethereum chain. I can see my account details just like that. All the details I have gotten from Web3Auth as well as Google. And I can sign my message just like that, send a transaction, do all sorts of smart contract interactions, and a lot more. So this was the plug and play SDK we are offering at this hackathon. So you can just have a look at the best use case with the plug and play web SDKs. You can have a look at our quick start, where you can quickly configure the plug and play web SDK right here with all the different things as a quick start for your own project. So if you use this, if you use additional features like custom authentication, which you can find right here in the SDK reference as well, and we'll be linking all the different things right inside of this particular section directly. And you can use custom authentication and all different features of Web3Auth to win the maximum prize for this track. The next track is again for the plug and play, but for the mobile and gaming SDKs. So we offer all sorts of mobile and gaming SDKs from Android, iOS, React Native, Flutter, Unity, and Unreal is also here. So you can just go into the section and you can also look at the different SDKs and just integrate within your application for the best experience possible. So the best UX and using it as a login method will be the major option and the major way to win the prizes. Next comes our single factor auth SDK. So this SDK is very special in the way that Web3Auth is totally invisible, and one click, everything is happening within your application. So this is one of the good SDKs you can try out in the web. And here what you can do is just click on single factor auth SDKs. And this is offered particularly for web. If you can see web and mobile, basically React Native applications as well. You can also use the single factor auth mobile applications right here. So having a look over here, you can just configure the passkeys plugin or account abstraction stuff to win more prizes for this track as well. And then a dedicated track for account abstraction. So we support account abstraction across our plug and play web SDKs, React Native SDK, as well as the single factor auth SDK we just talked about. So you can have a look and integrate native account abstraction, which is pretty easy to do. Actually, you just need to write this code with your particular favorite smart contract provider, and that's it. Using Pimlico or any other provider, you can directly configure your smart account directly through Web3Auth. So if you use this alongside these prizes, you'll be eligible to win even this prize. And one special prize is around Telegram mini apps. So you can win Telegram mini apps prize with the best login experience within your Telegram mini app. As simple as that. One click, just swipe up and automatic login will happen using the Telegram mini app. So you can check out our guide around that. So Telegram mini app right here. So everything client-side setup can be done over here. And similarly, you have to do the server-side setup to be able to use the Telegram mini app in the way that it communicates with the application. So that's all for the prizes. You can add more details, like I have written over here, most of the different features. As much as you enable, you will win more prizes. And the best part is Web3Auth can be used across every chain, every provider, and all sorts of combinations are possible. We have listed out a lot of details. You can contact us at the booth as well for more details. And to be honest, you can just mix and match as many things as you want and win the maximum this weekend. So all the best for your hacking experience, and I hope to see you at the hackathon. Bye.